Okay, hi gang. Dave here, lawnmower man, southeast Kansas. Getting back on working on this Toro for this uh, person, and my supply air filters came in for it and primer bulbs. Just in the process of getting it back on there. But the brother of that man brought this Cub Cadet over, Series 1000, it's 01 model, and keeps blowing the main fuse. But I kind of figure the console is loose on it. Bolts are all loose on it. No, it's all plastic, so it has to run a separate ground wire from the ignition switch, but it's all rusty and corroded as heck, so that might be part of the problem there. Got to investigate where the main hot wire comes from and goes to. It might have a short in it. He has the headlight wiring harness totally disconnected. He just cut them off, and I don't think those bare wires were sparking against the frame, but if that would have anything to do with messing with the ignition switch and the fuse, I have several 20 amp fuses. I may experiment there with that, tape up them headlight wires, but that's the problem with that one. And to get that going fixed up, it's springtime. Even with the viruses going around, it's people got to mow their yards, take care of their houses. So you know how it goes. You sure, if you could work on mowers, you're sure glad to help people out. And I'm sure glad. I've got some talent. May not be the best in the world, but I like working on stuff, fixing things. That's why my motto is I can fix things and build stuff. And with that, I'm out of here for now, guys. See you all later. I'll let you know tomorrow about this time what I've done here. Bye.